What is industrial style? With the lack of affordable housing in large cities, enterprising people have converted abandoned industrial spaces into apartments. This trend is thought to have started in Lower Manhattan in the late 1960s when the creatives rented the space as art studios and turned them into homes. This is illegal in Singapore. Today, we'll be showing you a great illustration of this theme in this massive executive apartment located in Tampines at 1,550 square feet. Open layout. In the past, people kept the industrial bones of the buildings. Likewise, in this HDB, the owner created an open layout in this massive activity area to embrace the warehouse look. Neutral tones. This timeless design showcases neutral tones, white clean walls to contrast sharply with the other elements such as wood and metal. Incorporating features such as stainless steel surfaces, metal lightings, as well as wood pieces, all to proudly display raw building materials throughout the house, from the suave kitchen to the laid-back bedrooms. Even the study has black frame glass panels to recreate that contemporary and timeless vibe. Truly, nothing says effortless cool and easy maintenance than an industrial style home. Like to make this industrial theme place your new home? Call Property One Way today for an exclusive viewing.